Hey everyone, in today's video, we're showing you how to change your birthday on Snapchat account. First of all, open the Snapshot app in your mobile phone and click on Profile button, located on the top left corner. Now click on the Settings button in the top right corner. Under My Account, you should see an option labeled a birthday. Tap on Birthday. Snapchat only lets you change your birthday a limited number of times. So, if you see a date picker, you're good to go. Just choose your new birthday and tap Continue. Congratulations, now you are successfully changed your birthday date in Snapchat. That's all you need to do to change your birthday on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.
And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below.
To see more videos about Snapchat settings, click on the Snapchat playlist that appears at the end of the screen.